Hi, my name is Jason. I am from the LRC-South here at Rowan University, and I'm here today to show you the 4 different kinds of die cut machines that we have. We're going to talk about the traditional die cut, the 4-inch die. We're going to try to get the most cuts out of one piece of paper. So we have a large size piece of construction paper. We're going to fold it, and we're going to fold it again. We're going to fold it one other time so that the paper is the exact size of the die. Because we always want the rubber side down for this machine. So then it goes right in. The arm only goes one way. I have to do it 3 times because there's paper on the thick side. And when you're done, you have 8 different kinds of bats. And what I did here was I made my bat cave with different kinds of bat facts. So this is our 8-inch. So it's the same concept as before. And you fold your paper, okay? Always rubber side down. Now the only difference with this and the 4-inch machine is you have to do it twice, or sometimes I like to do it 3 times because it's so big, because it doesn't fit in between the two pieces here, metal pieces. So it's, like I said, always rubber side down. I do the beginning and then the middle. Then we have the end. Have our school buses. So now I'm going to show you how to use our roller machine with our 8-inch die. This time the rubber side goes up on the roller machine. So we've got our paper, line it up with our die, and then we're going to roll it on through. So our last die that I'm going to show you today is using our All-Star die cut machine. Rubber side down. Okay, you're going to get your both pieces of plastic and sandwich it together, and then roll it through. And we have 2 pumpkins. Right? So here at the LRC we have, as you can see from the back, we have lots of different 4-inch dies. We have some 8-inch dies that I showed you today. And we also have a really nice handy book that you could look at when you're here. Or you can also download our catalog at home.